Montenegro.
The soul, it's the bread of destitution. Heart splash, fly like dough. Where there is no pollution, you with no words to hold hopes, questions or solutions. Bedrock of a river that flows, no past, present or future. We are men of nature, we are made from the earth. At the end of my 80, I'll return to the dirt. Just sand, just rock, dry land, vast and silent, only being, only breathing. We're just children of believers. Like fire and water, be strong with compassion. In the morning we're born everlasting, like the grass by the sea, bending with the wind which knocks her down time and again. We remain dancing, standing till the dawn of day carries us away. As we sway through the phases of each generation, we leave our trace and then leave this station. Peace, friends, fantasy phase, no blame, untamed, unspoken. She gave walks through the space on dry land that's cracked and broken. We came to taste the rain. We're just widows and orphans, not afraid to feel the pain or to leave behind our notions. Bathe the showers, taste the tension, hear the howl, climb the mountain, kiss the cold and heal the frozen. Read the dreams in this here dungeon. We are men of nature, we are made from the earth. At the end of my 80, I'll return to the dirt. Just sand, just rock, dry land, vast and silent, only being, only breathing. We're just children of believers. There is fire in these leaves and they fall naturally. I'm not afraid to face these seasons, cause times change and there's no one to blame. Even when the day is leaving, will you rise like a lion in the morning sun, or will you just lay there bleeding? When the time has come, return to the kingdom, close my eyes and be screaming freedom.